Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to our channel. We've got something very special for you today. We really have a beautiful machine, absolutely gorgeous. Comment below what do you think of this on face value. This is a work of art. This is a 1950 Norton International Model 30, and yeah, I think it looks absolutely beautiful, guys. I really do. It's a absolute work of art. Now, before we get in too much into the video, I'd like you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate it more than you'll ever know. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk about is whenever I do these videos of all these bikes that we get in, currently I've got about 170 bikes in stock. I try to do a startup video where I can of the bike. However, on this particular bike, it's a set of rollers required to start it, and our rollers are currently away being serviced, and they had a bit of a cable went on it, so we've had to send them back to the manufacturer to be repaired. I haven't got them back yet at time of filming, so bear with me. When I do get them back, I will do a startup video of this bike, because my God, folks, it sounds absolutely gorgeous, as you would imagine. So now I've got all that kind of mumbo jumbo out of the way. What exactly do we have in front of us? Like I say, it's a 1950 Norton International Model 30. It is road registered, so there is a V5 with it. It is down as historic, as you would imagine. It's been part of a private collection for a long time and sparingly used. You know, it's been part of a beautiful collection actually. It is a matching frame and engine number, matching frame and engine. This is the more powerful version. This is the 30, so that's the 500cc version, not the smaller one. What else have we got? It's got, what is nice about this one, we've got clear, uncracked Smith's clocks, which is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, which is a nice touch. Also, that's a nice thing as well. It's alright, I keep going back here because I've got some little notes that I've made that I need to talk about. I like this as well. It's got the pad on top of the tank, so that when you're laid over that tank, it's like, you know, a little pillow there. Elbow rest, I think they call it. And it's a 4-speed closed ratio gearbox on this particular bike. So like I say, we will get round to doing a nice startup. I might even do a startup and try and do some form of ride down the road on this bike, if at all possible, because it is absolutely beautiful. Big fan of this bike, as you can tell. Nice number plate on it as well. But yeah, what a beautiful bit of kit. So on a bike like this, I can offer finance on this vehicle. I've got a couple of guys that I work with closely that we can look at doing some real good finance packages on this vehicle. I can do nationwide or international shipping as well. That's worldwide. You know, anywhere in the world. We've sent bikes to New Zealand, America quite often. So yeah, if you're interested in this from an international point of view, contact me and we can work out some quotes for you with our various shipping partners. That is beautiful. Okay guys, so if you want to know how much this particular bike is, there is a description below which contains a price and also a link to our website where you'll find this bike, where there should be at least a dozen or more photos in high definition, so you can look at any particular area of the bike. Now obviously, if I've missed a particular area you'd like to see, please contact me and I can do a live WhatsApp video or send you some individual photos over to yourselves. Not a problem at all. But what a bike. That is really something special, folks. Comment below, what do you think of that? So if you've got any questions, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishullmotorcycles googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at this bike in person, you're more than welcome. As always, if you live any more than a mile away, folks, just give me a call before you set off to make sure the bike is in stock and available. Obviously, if you want to come down and hear it started, please let me know in advance. I'm hoping to get our rollers back at time of filming by mid-September, I would have thought, something like that. I don't know why they take so long, but hey ho, can't do anything about it, out of my hands. Yeah, absolutely stunning. In fact, I've got a couple of bikes that need rollers to start, annoyingly. It's always the same, isn't it? It does come with a, what have we got here? Maintenance instruction manual as well for this bike as well. So yeah, so there we go, folks. That is the work of art. That is the 1950 Norton International Model 30. Absolutely beautiful. So any questions, give us a call, folks. If you're passing Doncaster and you fancy a brew and just to look at some bikes, we tend to carry anywhere between, we carry about 90 to 100 classics in stock, and then we've got about 70 or 80 modern stuff in. So if you just want to pass by Doncaster, pop in for a brew, come and have a look at our showroom, not a problem at all. Kettle's usually on, pop in, come and say hello. Other than that, folks, thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. That has been Crystal Motorcycles, and that has been the 1950 Norton International. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you all very soon. Cheers.